Okay, what's up? What's up? It is Sunday. What's today's date, guys? November 29th. We are almost coming into a new year. I hope everyone's had a good Thanksgiving. This video right here is mainly going to be for EURJPY. EURJPY. Now, EURJPY, I'm liking how EURJPY setup is definitely looking. There's a couple key things that I want to break down for you guys so you understand my bias on this one. So first thing first is what I noticed is we have an inverse head and shoulders. Now, an inverse head and shoulders is completely opposite of the regular head and shoulders. So the regular head and shoulders, we have a reversal for a bearish move. An inverse head and shoulders is just a complete opposite. It's for a bullish move. And I'm going to show you the move right here. Now, yeah, this is going to be right here. So right here we have the left shoulder. And then right here we have the head. Once we have the head, we have our right shoulder. This is a beautiful head and shoulders. And now you can see we completely made a whole right shoulder. So let's write this down. I finally got my Mac back too, guys. I don't have to be at my desktop. I can't stand being at the desktop too long. So this is our left shoulder. We got more people joining up. Okay, here we go. Yo, what up, Salazar? What up, Brody? It is our right shoulder.
What's good, bro?
Chilling, bro, chilling, trying to make a killing. This is the perfect example. An inverse head and shoulders. This is one of the strongest confirmations as a head and shoulders. That's a good confirmation as well. These inverse regular head and shoulders are good confirmations, and this is happening on a daily time frame. So the higher you get on the time frame with these candlestick formations, the more meaningful they are. So my bias is we're gonna go up to our upside. We're gonna go and test weekly highs. So price hasn't been up here since September 1st of 2020. That's 2020, right? First, yep, that's 2020. Price hasn't been up here since September 2020. So this looks like the bigger picture. We might get up here to make a triple top, and then we will probably sink lower. We probably sink lower, guys. So let's just go on a week. Let's go on a weekly. Oh yeah, for sure. We'll probably sink lower. We could go higher, but short term, even though this is a swing short term, this is almost a 300 pip move to the upside. As you can see, I have my stop right below this little higher low. As you can see, we getting, here go the first high, then we get a higher low right here. This is where a stop loss actually should be. Let me make that very clear. This is where a stop loss should actually be, because this is the higher low of this right inverse head and shoulders move. So this is actually the most educated stop loss. And that is how many pips from where we at now? All right, it's a good amount of pips too, 171 pips. So be meaningful that. Me on my personal, I won't even like to see price go lower than this. It'll bring my stops closer, which will bring my risk less, and my position to be worth more. It is a risk though, because like I said, this is supposed to be this would be the best stop loss if you're going for this move. But I'm gonna keep mines right here below. I'm pretty sure on a lower time frame. Yeah, see. And then take it straight to our highs, and that would bring us to a 3.86. That is a more than enough reasonable stop loss. I mean, risk reward ratio. So you can see on this trade particularly, it's a very simple setup. Like, it's very simple. This is a strong structure as well to note. As you can see, support, 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 resistance, 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 and now look what we're doing. We are making pushes still upward. So this is the move. This is the move we want to see. This is the move we want to see, guys. This is what we want to see right here. Hold on. I always forget which indicator or spot that is at. Okay, here we go. This is what we want to see. Price goes up. Price comes down. Price goes up. So this is the retest. This is what we call the retest. So this is what you ideally want to look for too. Market comes up, pulls back, tests our found support, and then it uses it to bounce it and go higher to test those old highs. 127. But I love the setup, guys. So excited about the setup. It's a great move. The risk reward ratio 3.86, 4 times whatever you're risking. Like I said, this is the safest stop loss, guys. It's further. This is the safest stop loss, but this is not a bad stop loss. This is not a bad stop loss. It's just not the safest stop loss because our higher low is right here. But this can be our next higher low. But we have to see how price moves. We have to see how structure moves on this pair. But this is a good bullish move. I normally don't buy the market too many times. I'm more of a bearish trader, but you can't cripple yourself in the market. So when buys like this that are set up so good, you got to take action on something like this. So this is potentially for me, probably like a, I don't know, $1,500 move for me based off my trading plans. So, but the setup on this is very nice. Very nice. You see, we look on the hour time frame. You can see we just did a double bottom. Price came down here twice. Let's go ahead and grab that. Grab that. You can see, take the candlesticks with it. Oh yeah, clearly. So that'd have been a. See, I wasn't even aware of this trade last week because there was the entry right there. Support, 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 and then we got a bullish engulfing. This on an hour, bullish engulfing, and then boom, pull back, another bullish engulfing. We're making our highs. So the best thing to do, even on this setup, because we are going to be at another resistance, wouldn't be surprised if the market uses this to pull back to go further again. So to make another a higher low. So we came up here, we broke this high, tested it right here. When you break the high, go up, pretty sure we'll come back down again. And then this would be another ideal entry. But this setup is this is a nice setup. This is a nice setup, guy. But this is a EURJPY. This is a quick little snippet. Also, what I'm gonna do real quick is, anyone been following the other AUDCHF 1,000 pip move? That it's other videos on there on YouTube. Just do a quick rundown on this. Our trade on AUDCHF went to our highs, but as you can see, we fell right back under. And that's why it's always key to wait for a retest, because that's how you know it's an actual move. Price broke up, but it didn't retest. It didn't come down and retest to go higher. So in the meantime, let me get my brush. If I can find it. In the meantime, it broke down. Now we're looking for this. Looking for this to go down. Other than that, this is only going to be considered a bullish move until we get this full breakout and this retest of this resistance, and then it goes higher. Other than that, would not be worried about this. We have our stop losses on this and everything. Like, there's nothing to be concerned with the AUDCHF. Nothing's really happened. The market is just moving the way the market moves. Right now, it's no worry on AUDCHF, and you can see on the other time frames, we're still, look, resistance. Prices keep falling, can't break the structure. So I wouldn't be concerned until we start seeing these highs constantly being broken, and then on a bigger time frame, they will tell us more of the story. Right now, AUDCHF is good as well. So some good moves in the market. EURJPY is definitely my favorite swing trade of the week. I know everyone's gonna ask me how long did I think it was gonna take to get up here. It can happen. It can happen this week if price really want to do it. This move is about 300 pips. I seen EURJPY move that within the same week. So this is a trade that very much can end this week, but no one can predict market conditions. So you just have to trade as the market goes. But that's it for this video. EURJPY swing trade, 300 pip move. We have what's our stop loss? 66 pip stop loss. So, do the math on that when using risk management with your lot sizes. Do not over leverage. Do not put all your capital in one basket. Trade responsible. And that's going to be it for this video. Peace.